Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you the complete set that we did for a Porsche Cayenne. We do have them online on our website. This is a 2014 Porsche Cayenne. We did the clock, digital clock, and we did the 12-inch screen, and relocating the vents. Basically it comes with a bracket, so you don't need to do anything. No modification needed, just to use the bracket, and it redirected to the bottom. We did the panel. This is the digital panel, and also we did the digital cluster. So we go through them one by one. So we start from the digital cluster. So it shows the RPM speed, and also you can change the settings. There is some, you can still do the settings from the original car, and also you can change the style to comfortable or sport, or you can go back to classic. So that's a digital cluster, and on the top you can see the clock, so you can change the design for the clock. Again, by the steering wheel you can change it to any design that you like. Let's go, let's say, to the sport mode, to the red mode. I change it to the red color. And also this Porsche Cayenne didn't come with backup camera. We added backup camera too. So by going to reverse, it shows the back of the car, and it comes with dynamic guidelines. If the car equipped with the factory sensors, you can see them on the screen too. By going back to park or drive, it goes back to the main screen. And this is the digital control panel. If you get the full package from us, you can basically use these knobs to control the radio too. And this is only with the, if you get the screen and the panel together. Some of our screens, they're not compatible. This is only match if you get them together. You can use them basically together. Otherwise they work individually, and this knob won't work. Also you can make the volume from here, and the other controls are all retained, and they're here. This unit is not available for the hybrid one, just to let you know. This is for gas or diesel. And also the screen comes with Apple CarPlay. You can do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So this is also you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This is wireless Apple CarPlay, and a lot of customers, they ask what's going to happen to satellite radio. Basically you can download the satellite radio app here, and technically you can play your satellite radio through Apple CarPlay. I'm not playing it right now because of basically the copyright issue. So yes, so if you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, and have a great day.